Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Steve Fedler. I'm from Lowell, Indiana. Member of Northwest Indiana chapter of ATHS. My truck is a 1974 Hendrickson H3. Got a 400 Cummins with a 13-speed, 4-speed auxiliary. It was built as into a tri-axle heavy hauler in probably 1990. I don't know what else to say about it. Just when I got it, it was mechanically sound. I had to do a lot of body work to it, make my own body panels and stuff because you can't buy parts for these.
Sure.
A lot of fiberglass work, metal work, painting. But
what were some of the panels that you had to make or fix?
I had to make my own cab corners, rocker panels, the A-pillars in the windshield, inner and outer cowl panels.
If you need to take that.
That's right. A lot of fixing cracks in the fiberglass hood and that kind of stuff. Tried.
If you need to adjust your phone or anything.
No, that's right. Sorry. Tried to keep it as close to what it was originally built as possible.
Okay. How did it start out in life? And in terms of, how was it used when
it was
originally made?
The guy who built it into a 3-axle tractor like this, he did extreme heavy haul. I've seen pictures of it with a 150,000 pound press on the back of it. He's built it for extreme heavy haul, and yeah, basically I use it for truck shows. I don't haul anything with it anymore. So,
let me take a look on the inside.
Yeah.
If the door's open. At first glance, it reminds me of an older Ford interior.
actually, it's an international cab, International Fleetstar cab.
Okay.
Hendrickson. They were built in Chicago as a small production company, but they were very popular in the Chicago area in construction. But Hendrickson pretty much always used international cabs on.
Okay. It's cool how a lot of the manufacturers shared internals and different parts back in the day. Literally not reinventing the wheel.
No. Hendrickson, they pretty much, they're all custom built to customer spec. I don't know if they ever had dealer stock trucks or anything. Just pretty much whatever the customer wanted, they built.
Now with your chapter, give us a shout out about your chapter. Like, give us like where you are on the map so people can understand where you are.
We're Northwest Indiana. We've got members from Northeast Illinois, all across the top half of Indiana. Cover a fairly large area.
Okay, but, closest major town to you guys?
Closest major town would be Gary, probably, but Gary, well, we've got members from like Gary area, South Bend.
Very nice. What are some of the things that people love about this truck when they come up to it and they see it for the first time?
I would say probably the color combination. When I redid it, I was trying to choose from several different color combinations, and my wife and I were at a car show and saw this black cherry on a car, and like, okay, that's going to be it.
Very nicely done. I appreciate you taking a minute to talk on camera.
Well, thank you.
Excellent. Well, see you around the show. Enjoy.
Thank you.